Okay, today we're going to be doing Packet Tracer for CIS 102. Packet Tracer we're going to be doing is d2-555. This one is a familiarize yourself with style of Packet Tracer because it starts off with 100% completion, so we're going to go ahead and type in the commands it says and follow along with it here. So in router 1 we're going to issue the show CDP command. Then we're going to use the show CDP question mark because this showed us the sending packets and the hold value and all of that. So we go that brings up all of the ones that we can enter. We have entry, interface, and neighbors. Let's see what the next one. They want us to do interface. And this will bring up the interfaces, VLAN, Ethernet 00, Ethernet 01, serial. Alright, so let's see the next command they want us to enter. CDP neighbor information. So we have switch 1 and router 2, which are connected to router 1. Alright. So let's see, show CDP R2. And this will bring up information about router 2. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is a show CDP entry star. Let's see, detailed information about all directly connected devices is displayed. We have switch 1, platform, capabilities, interface, version, and here's the R2 for the router 2, IP address, capabilities, interface it's on. Right, so let's see. The next command we're going to do is the show CDP neighbors detail command. Alright. And this gives out the same information as the show CDP star entry command. We're going to disable and enable CDP globally on a router. Let's see, we're going to go over to router 2 since we're in router 1 now. And we are going to issue the show CDP commands on this one. and this shows switch to router 3, router 1. Okay, so we're going to enter global configuration mode, and then we're going to do no CDP run and try the command again. And it says CDP is not enabled. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and drop that and go back over to router 1 here. And then issue show CDP neighbors. And it does show router 2 still. And I believe it wants us to wait 102 seconds. And now we see that router 2 is not showing up on our CDP anymore. Well, let's see, the next command we're going to do, enter configure terminal, and then type in CDP RUN, which should be what we need to do. Yeah. And then go ahead and hit exit on that. And CDP is back up and running on that. Now we're going to go ahead and disable it on an interface. And let's try actually just getting into the interface first, and then doing the no CDP. Alright. And then I'll go ahead and exit. Reissue exit there. And then let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and pause that one, or put that one down, and get to the command line on this one. And then there we have 98 seconds left for it to disappear on that one. Router 3's got 86 seconds on this one. Alright, so we'll just issue these commands until we see the timeout. Alright, so it's timed out on router 3. So let's see what it says on router 2. Yep, it's also timed out over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and drop both of these. Guess I didn't need to drop both of them because I'm going to be going into that on here. And then entering. Oh, I got it backwards. Alright. And just to make sure that it's enabled, let's go back over to router 3 and check its neighbors list. There we go. Router 2 is back on. Alright, and that'll complete our video on this. And I'll get it edited for time and get it out there on YouTube.